Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I will achieve a 45% gain in SPY within 7 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SPY. Big money has been seen with great placement for a continuous sell-off in the market. With no surprises, market continues to plunge lower. Entry is on 13th December with exit on 20th December. In summary, this is a bearish trade that has entry price of 69 cents and exit price of $1. Being able to spot the big money movement is the key to this successful trade. A nice 45% gain for me in this trade within 7 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 13 December with exit on 20th December. Entry price is 69 cents with exit price of $1. This trade has achieved a 45% gain within 7 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.